Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how you can make wire-edged flowers for costumes. I have some wire. You want to use something around 20 gauge, not too thick but not so thin that it won't hold the shape. I just have a little item here that I grabbed from around the house to bend the wire around. You can use anything. You can use a ring mandrel, whatever you have handy. I have some nylon. This is just like a knee-high. I have wire cutters and flat nose pliers. So I have two figure eights that I already formed with the wire, and now I'm going to attach them in the center to form a little flower outline out of the wire. So I'm going to take a little piece of this wire, I'm going to snip it with the cutters, holding both sides so it doesn't go flying. You always want to be careful. You don't want wire flying up into your eyes. I'm going to bend that a little bit with the pliers. Then I'm going to place that over the center where the figure eights overlap and bend it around the back with the pliers. It's a little tricky. Just be patient. The finished effect will be well worth it. So I have my two figure eights of wire. I'm going to overlap them to form a little flower wire outline. I'm going to take this little piece of metal and just bend it over where the figure eights overlap. There we go. And I'm just going to use my wire cutters to clip it in the back. Be careful, hold your hand over it so it doesn't fly up into your face. And then just secure that down with your flat nose pliers. Once you have your wire form, slip it in between the nylon, stretching it taut over the petals, like that. You can put a little hot glue on the back just to kind of hold that in place. Let it dry for a moment. Then while the glue is holding that in place, you can go in with your wire and wrap it around to make it look a little more taut. Clipping it off with your wire cutters. Being careful to hold the ends. Spread out your petals. I'm just going to make a little circle here with some of the wire. You can put whatever you'd like in the middle. I'm just going to make a little spiral here out of the wire and hot glue that in. And there you have a little wire framed flower. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.